Rahu correctly. Okay, I will pass. Now transit, any question about transit? I will pass on to the Dasha system. Now, what is different between Dasha and transit? That some questions you must, when a person is asking either any question, you must understand what is this is a question of transit or Dasha. Dasha or transit. That clear ideas you now the see the horoscope, one horoscope I have given here. Let us go first. एकदम 16 horoscope को जाए, 16 number horoscope. How to tackle the question? Whether it is a question of transit or whether it is a question of dasha. Now 16 देखा horoscope. Moon is in first house, Mars in Kanya Rashi, Venus and Mercury, Saturn, Uranus are in sixth house. About this boy some completely psychology उसका disturb हो गया. Suddenly psychological disturbances हो गया, depression में गया, ये गया. Now if parents are asking about this, you can't say Mars अभी change होगा, next month he will be all right like that, because this is not a question of gochar. Transit का नहीं है. It is Mercury and Saturn conjunction in Vrushik, Lord of the 8th house in 6th house in inimical sign. Mercury in the Rashi of Mithu, the Kanya, Mesh or Vrushik is very bad for psychology. Mercury, Saturn conjunction generally indicates depression, anxieties and other psychic functions. But when this is happening, you must guide the parents properly. I said this is not a question of 1, 2, 3 months. Other astrologers may say that Mars will ये गया after 1.5 months he will be all right. वैसा नहीं है. This is a long-run question and psychiatric treatment he has to take for years. That and what is the dasha system? Dasha and gochar are quite different. So when dasha operates, you can't know that dasha effect is like that because you are not feeling difference in that. Suppose what dasha system I will tell you. In some people by the craze of RSS join करते थे, प्रांत they were spending their life 10, 15, 20 years. Before 1968, there were so many people who Pranta Pracharak, RSS. They, without marriage, they were giving service for RSS for 15, 20 years. But after 15, 20 years, they come to know that there is nothing in that. Then they again get married, get service like that. Now this 10, 15 years, his span is quite different. अभी भी some people रामकृष्ण मठ और ISKCON में जाते हैं, but that fit vanished. I will tell you, when Jupiter Dasha was there, if Jupiter Karka Lagna, Lord of 9th house, Karka Lagna, Jupiter in me. This boy, when he started Jupiter Dasha, he was completely Adhyatma में था. But when Jupiter Dasha ended, वो सब गया. Saturn Dasha start, he material life में, he was completely means material uplift उसका हो गया. That means this Jupiter Dasha and Saturn Dasha, this span of, suppose Rajesh Khanna is there. Rajesh Khanna 10 years में limelight में रहता है. 10 years he is at the top of the yeah. But after that, when Dasha ends, that becomes nobody knows what means Rajesh Khanna was only for 10 years. Means Dasha is the best means span of life. Span देखने के लिए Dasha is the best position. Only Dasha का suppose now I will tell you when Dasha here I will give you example. In best Dasha, let us take the horoscope. I will tell you. हाँ ये कितना है 12 number horoscope. How Dasha operates. How Dasha operates. Here, 12th horoscope. Saturn is in Tula. Ravi is in Dhanu Vargottam. Shukra is in Vargottam Kumbha Rashi. And Saturn's Venus trine aspect is completely trine aspect. For Tul Lagna, Saturn becomes Raja Karak. Business is good. This boy started business with his when Shani Dasha, Shukra Dasha started. He started business with his friend. Now suppose when he started business with the friend, first 2-3 years you will not feel anything. Some outstanding or like that. But progress is there. But means eyesight को कैच करने का इतना प्रोग्रेस नहीं होता. But Dasha is operating slowly in that Dasha. Now in his horoscope, Venus में Saturn में दशा आया अंतरदशा. Venus में Saturn अंतरदशा आया, एकदम फ्लरिश हो गया वो. तो दशा starting and 15-20 years, day by day that is catching. But first 2-3 years, you will not feel that Dasha is very good because you are going on practical ground. But Dasha is operating, means he is progressing. Let it be the slow progress, but progress is there. But after 15-20 years, he became most बड़ा इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट हो गया. Then you attribute this is the Dasha. When Dasha started, no astrologer are not giving that guidance. If you will be after 10-20 years, you will be big industrialist. So Dasha operation, how is operate Dasha, how to predict Dasha? First you have to know the strength of the planet. That strength of the planet, Lord of that rules, I need not to say now. There are so many rules how to judge the strength of the planet. Lord of the 5th house and 9th house Dashas are always good. Sarve Trikonu Netaro Graha Rajayoga Prada. Lord of the 5th, 9th, Kendradhipatis are also good. Kendradhipatis. And Dasha में क्या होता है? Dasha and Gochar. What difference? Saturn transit 3 times you will get in the life. Definitely Saturn transit. Or suppose the Rahu transit 6 times you will get. But Dasha is not like that. Dasha, suppose Lord of the 10th house में 9th house की दशा, अंतरदशा. Lord of 10th house, Mahadasha, some major period, and in that Lord of the 9th house, sub period, only once in life you will get. Only once in life you will get that Dasha. While Gochar, Saturn may come 3 times in the life, same Rashi, same. But Dasha is not like that. Dasha is very means that Dasha system. For that Dasha system, you have to know the strength of the planet. Vargottam planet, suppose Dhanu Rashi में, Dhanu Nomos में means Jupiter है. Best his Dasha will be this. If Tula Rashi में, Tul Nomos में Venus है और Saturn है. Means you must know me, the Vargottam planet. Chare Adya, Chare Rashi में first Nomos is always good. Stire Madhya, 1322, 1620, and this our Rashi में last Nomos are Vargottam. So by seeing the only degrees of the planet, you can judge the strength of the planet. And if you judge the strength of the planet, Vargottam ग्रह की दशा एकदम फर्स्ट क्लास राजयोग और कर्क लग्न मार्स दशा, तुला लग्न सैटर्न दशा, and if these planets are very good, dasha will operate nicely. But now how to calculate dasha and interpret? Now let us go by step by step. Now the next seventh horoscope. Moon is in Rishabh Rashi, Saturn, Rahu in sixth Rashi. Though Saturn is in Makar Rashi, it is conjunction with Rahu. And for Singer Lagna, Saturn is not at all good. First grade malefic, he becomes first grade malefic. So in this Saturn Rahu, when he started Shani Dasha and Gochar Shani was also in Vrishab, his whole life became tragic, means his wife died, he started drinking, he became frustrated, whole Shani Dasha उसको completely wash out किया. Up to that Shani Dasha he was very good person. Shani Dasha में wife died, wife का death हो गया. After that he get frustrated, then he started drinking. Like that, whole Rahu युक्त शनि है, उसकी दशा will operate like that. Now next, how to see the dasha? Now about the eighth horoscope. Only by seeing Mars in Karka Rashi, debilitated signs for Kanya Lagna, you can immediately judge that how the Mars dasha will operate. For Kanya Lagna, Mars became the first and enemy, or Mercury ascendant, Mars became the first and enemy. And if such a Mars is in debilitated or inimical sign, his dasha will definitely be very bad. And if suppose Buddha, Mercury, Mars dasha, Lagnesh, देखो, if suppose Mercury is in Mesh or in Vrishik, then still Mars dasha will be very, very bad at that time. Because Lord of the Ascendant is also
the functional benefit.
Yeah, functional benefit. Now the fifth horoscope. Only by seeing the Saturn and Moon placement. Saturn, Lord of the Ascendant is in 8th house and 8th Lord is in Ascendant. This is a very dangerous position for longevity and all these things. When Moon's Dasha, Mahadasha में Shani sub period started, this boy within only 2 days he get high fever and he died. Only 2 days. Doctor judgment भी नहीं कर सकते. Moon and Saturn. नहीं. Ninth number. Saturn is an ascendant and Moon is in 8th house. Lord of the 8th house and Saturn are intermingled. Lord of the 8th is in ascendant. Ascendant Lord is in 8th house. This mutual interchange of sign for Karka Lagna is the worst. And when Abhi, suppose this Saturn's Moon, every time this is not bad, but when Dasha comes, then only they will operate. At the time of childhood, if suppose her mother asks us, what we can take? It will be short life. ऐसा बोल नहीं सकता. फिर short life के 10 year में भी death हो सकता है, 20 years में भी हो सकता है, 40 years में भी हो. But how to judge that? Then Dasha period worse. Moon and Saturn, Moon Mahadasha or Saturn Antardasha, only once in life he will get, not at any time. Now this 10th horoscope. If you know the strength of the planets by seeing only the placement of the Rashi, you can judge, means major judgment you can do. In this horoscope or Rishabh Lagna, Taurus ascendant, Jupiter, Rahu, Neptune in Tula Rashi, and so Venus in 8th house. Venus is in also inimical sign. Jupiter is also in inimical sign. Lord of the ascendant is in 8th house. 8th house Lord is in 3rd house, conjunction with malefic Rahu. When he started Jupiter में Venus अंतर्दशा, he got paralysis attack at the age of 47 only. When he started Jupiter में Shukra अंतर्दशा, when Guru and Shukra both are dangerous in this horoscope, but that will work only in that dasha period. Now suppose sometimes what happens, some dashas go very smooth. Now in horoscope number 11th, Venus in Tula in 10th house, for Makar Lagna it becomes the best Rajayog Karak for Makar Lagna. It is in Tula Rashi in 10th house. This man was getting 10,000 rupees per day when the Venus Dasha was there. But when Sun Dasha started, his income came to 1,000 per day. 10,000 से 1,000 तक आया हो, because Venus के बाद Sun दशा आता है, and Sun is the Lord of the 8th house. So what if you get the continuous good dasha, Buddha, Shani, like that, steady rise will be there. Like successive dasha, 2-3 you are getting good, then your life becomes ekdam extremely successful. There is no downfall or like that. Now that 12th I have prayed. Now 13 horoscope. 13 horoscope, by seeing only Jupiter degrees, you can just very Jupiter in the Sagittarius in 28 degrees became Swargottam, Dhanu Rashi mein Dhanu, and it is the Lord of 9th house. Lord of 9th house with Sun. This man in a young age, 15 to 20, he was working as a doorkeeper in the cinema graph. But after this, he has now about 10 to 15 theatres of his own ownership. Huh?
Fifth Lord also in ninth.
No, fifth Lord, that is the best way. Not only that, fifth and ninth house for Adhyatmik, it is also good. He was very absolute. When Lord of second is in 10th is in, so many factors for financial rise are there. But if there are some, every planet works out. Now his Mars is, and Mercury is in 8th house. Mercury for Mesh Lagna is not at all good. It is in that Mars, Mercury was a little bit sidetracked. He came in contact with some bad people. That patch, at that time his brother took the all charge of the business for 2-3 years. When Mercury was dasha work out. At that time he was thrown sidetracked ho gaya. Now this 14 में, if you know the basic strength of the horoscope, then you can predict this person, Kumbha Lagna, Saturn and Venus both are in Tula Rashi. Dhanu में Jupiter है, he is also Argottam Shukra Shani. He is the child of a priest from very rural area ka. But he came into Pune, became a doctor, and his practice is renowned by his from very low silent position. He rise to Pune में बंगला भी किया. Best doctor अब तो Pune का है. Only strength of the planet. Saturn is exalted. Venus is in own Rashi. When such a conjunction is there, these combinations are bad. Moon, Jupiter in Karka suppose, Ravi, Mangal in Mesh you suppose, Tola, Mesh, Shukra, Shani. Such a combinations are definitely giving good result. Now his Jupiter also is very good. In Shani Mahadasha, Saturn transit, he rise from ekdam top position. Saturn Mahadasha was best for him, about 19 years. So the Dasha period, if you get proper Dasha, the age, proper age means Dasha milna hi important hai. If you are getting Venus Dasha at the age of 18, what is with you? At the proper age, if you get proper Dasha, then rise is the. Now let us see this 15 horoscope. Horoscope number 15. Vrishchik Lagna, Venus is in Lord, Mars is in 8th house. 8th house Lord is in 12th house. And in Neptune. Now, if suppose sometimes immediate question you can answer better. Suppose this man whose horoscope he was in ship. He was in the ship right at one Bandar बोलते क्या port. At one port he was in the ship. Next port तो देखा he was not there. He was missing. When ship started from one port, he was there. But in middle, some people came to know that he is not sick. And he get off Sunday. His wife came to me and asked about this. Now you have this, you have not to predict of 20 years come. Immediate prediction means that is easy job. Not easy job. Now, just now Rahu was transiting in Kanya. Kanya. One man was having Kanya Ravi Chandra, Lord of the 8th house in Kanya Rashimita. That old man was admitted to the hospital. When query was said, it is very difficult because Rahu was transiting on the 8th Lord and Ravi also. Ravi Chandra was both in 10th house in Kanya Rashi. So that is easy job. Predicting after 15 years is difficult. You can predict. Not only that, astrological predictions, how people take is very difficult. I told one lady that there is possibility of theft in your house. After 1 month she came, and what happened? She was believing my prediction. She took his all purse and पर्स में डाल के ऑफिस में जाती थी. And ऑफिस से पर्स गायब हो जाता. And she was accusing me. You told me that theft will be in the house. Therefore I took. You can't pinpoint the exact thing, but you can know the thing is sometimes things happen. I told one person Saturn Mars transit was in 7th house. I told him that your wife will get sick not 2-3 months. It is not good. वैसा कुछ नहीं हुआ. Whether he went to Matharan and his wife fall from horse and was bedridden for 2 months. This is bedridden either by accident or by
Similar to
similar hospitalization. But people take certain means exact meaning लेते हैं ना. That is the difficulty. Now I will go to many important things. The Lord of the 6th, 8th and 12th, the planets in the 6th, 8th and 12th house are whatever we are getting suffering, sorrow, difficulties, they are created from 6th, 8th and 12th Lord, and those planets in the 6th, 8th and 12th house should be considered properly. जिसको त्रिविध ताप बोलते हैं, हाँ? त्रिविध ताप, आध्यात्मिक, आधिभौतिक and दैविक. These three sufferings are from these three houses. Lord of the means 6th house, 8th house and 12th house. The planet in that houses, the Lord of that houses, and their dasha. What happened in dasha system? You get here. I have given 2-3 horoscopes where robbery was there in the house. That is different. Robbery is different. Robbery, how lakhs में वन आदमी का होगा, वन आदमी का भी लाइफ में एक ही दफा होता है, very rare है ना. That answer you get from dasha system. If the Lord of the 6th, 8th and 12th planets are there, in that dasha system such a things happen. Means most troublesome thing. Now I will give the here is the vote of 16, 17. 17 Mercury retrograde planets is most important, and retrograde planet about which karakatva or bhaveshatva will always give one bad effect. Here Mercury is retrograde with Mars in 8th house. When Jupiter में बुध अंतर्दशा was there, sub period of Mercury, he gave check to one his friend, and he was confident that he will feel money in the bank, but he was unable, and check was refunded. He was imprisonment for 3 months. That Jupiter में Mercury dasha, and at that time transit of Rahu was over his moon. Saturn was also 8th. Then 18th horoscope. Here is robbery horoscope. Means on 7 March 1909, हाउस में रॉबरी हो गया. नॉट ओनली दैट, मारहान भी हो गया कुछ. See the Lord of the 8th house, Mars is in 12th house. Lord of 8th house, Mars is in 12th house. Lord of the 6th house is in 4th house. That Saturn retrograde in Danu Rashi and Mars in 12th house. When dasha was अष्टमेश मार्च की दशा में शनि शनि की दशा अंतर दशा था. When robbery actually takes place, it was in March Saturn period. Both house, Mars is in 12th house, Lord of the 8th house. Saturn is in 4th house, as the Lord of the 6th house. So 6th, 8th and 12th Lord Dasha are considered, you must consider seriously. Here also 19 Jupiter में Jupiter था. Jupiter is in 8th house. Not only in 8th house, he is the nakshatra of Ravi. Uttara nakshatra में है. Lord of the 8th house. Ravi is also Lord of the 8th house. In Jupiter, sub period Jupiter में his robbery took place on 9/5/2006. On that day. Sometimes some questions are very critical and human. Here, horoscope number 20. Mars is in 0 degree and some minutes. His boy, mother came to me and told me that his boy had 3 accidents successively 3 years. Scooter accident. 2-3 times he was unconscious for 1-2 months also. So that mother was little bit earlier. Death उसका ऐसा ही होने वाला है कि क्या? When I saw Mars dasha 91 to 98 Mars Dasha was there. 91 to 98, 7 years Mars Dasha. In that period, all this happened. I told her, "Abhi Mars Dasha khatam hone wala hai. You need not worry about the child. The Dasha is over." So sometimes Dasha period, suppose sometimes even divorce case may be also. Sometimes I have seen that if that Dasha is all right, they again come together. 4, 5, 6 years get aparted. But when Dasha changes, such a divorce are means avoidable. Means if you see the Dasha, that Dasha is Dasha ends, then they can come together. Then 21 horoscope. Accidental death happened of this man on Mars and Saturn. Mars, हाँ, शनि में गुरु, शनि दशा में गुरु की अंतर दशा थी. इसको मार्स एंड सैटर्न कंजंक्शन इन 8th हाउस. Mars and Saturn conjunction in 8th house, it indicates accidental deaths. Not only that, Lord of the 8th house Mercury is also retrograde and in opposition with Neptune. But major Saturn में Jupiter की अंतर्दशा, Jupiter is in 12th house, Saturn Mars is in 8th house. So 6th, 8th and 12th house dasha planets dasha you should think seriously. Okay, any questions? हाँ. Mars is in Mesh Nomos. Any planet, suppose Mars, Mesh Nomos and head. It is very important. I have studied the horoscope. Those who have head injuries, about 20 horoscope. In many horoscope, Mesh Nomos में Saturn, Mars, conjunction Saturn, Mars in Mesh Nomos. Nomos is the best solution for such a thing. Okay.
सर एक प्रश्न.
हाँ.
ट्रान्झिट जे आहे, गोचर जे आहे,
गोचर, हाँ.
ते नेहमी चंद्रावरनं बघायचं का बऱ्याच ठिकाणी बघण्यात आलं की लग्नावरून सुद्धा काही लोक बघतात.
नाही, गोचर लग्नावरून ते काय आहे, तुम्ही जे हे करताना काही जस्ट पोझिशन असतात. सपोज आता इथे रवी आहे, तुम्ही चंद्राकडून बघणार का रवीकडनं?
लग्नावरून
बघा, असा इथे चंद्र आहे आणि इथे रवी आहे. आता ही 7.5 त्याला जास्त तापदायक सगळ्यात जाणार. तूळ राशीच्या ह्या सोबत आता तूळ आहे, तूळ राशीच्या लोकांना सगळ्यांना 7.5 येईल, पण ह्या माणसाला जास्त तापदायक. कारण ऍट द सेम टाइम रवी जे आपण 7.5 आहे ना, ही रविचंद्राची पोझिशन you must know the exact. Suppose this Ravi is there here, still 7.5 will be tough because
सर मी विचारतोय सर की गोचर जे आहे, ट्रान्झिट जे आहे,
हो, ते लग्न कुंडलीकडनंच बघायचं. लग्न कुंडलीच बनवून बघायचं. पण सेकंड आस्पेक्ट काही कुंडल्या ह्या मून कडनं बघायलाच लागतात. चंद्र कुंडलीकडनं I am Rashi Kundali. What is the meaning of the Rashi Kundali? Rashi Kundali is the reservoir of your building. For water tank building पर खाना है. But in that from water tank you take some on loft. Your घर में loft है. So water tank